Hello students of class 3. How are you? I hope you all are keeping well, isn't it children? So let us start our English language class. Children, take out your English language book that is focus on grammar. Are you all ready? Take out. Now today in this class we will do the chapter adjectives. Okay, that is chapter 7. So in the previous class we were doing adjectives, isn't it? So today we have completed page up to page number 23 of this chapter. 24 also we have discussed. Now we will start with in focus, that is study the sentences given below, that is exercise number 5. Okay, so children, open your book at page number 24. This is page number 24. Okay, now what we will do in this class is, I'll show you one thing. See, look at the picture. What is this? Suppose this is a ball. Okay. This is also a ball. This is ball A. This is ball B. Okay. This is ball C. Right? So we can see the picture of 3 balls. Okay. Now, here we can say that this is a big ball. Now, what is an adjective? An adjective is a word that describes a noun. Okay, if I write here, number 1, this is a big ball. Okay, now forget about these 3 balls. I am talking about this ball only. About ball number 1. Okay, this is a big ball. Fine. Now, what is this word B? B is an adjective as it is describing the ball. Ball is the noun in the sentence. Okay, we all know that an adjective describes a noun. So in this way, here this is a big ball. How is the ball? It is big. So here this adjective big is describing the ball. Okay, we have only one ball. Leave these balls, this side balls. Okay. Now I have got one more ball that is bigger than this one. Then number A ball. This is ball A. This is ball B. So now we have how many balls? 2 balls. Now when we compare the balls, then what we will say? Ball B is bigger than ball A. Ball B, this is B, is bigger than ball A. Now what we are doing? We are comparing the 2 balls. Okay, fine. Now here in the first sentence we have found that this is a big ball. Here big is a positive adjective. Positive adjective means here we are talking about one ball. We are not comparing it to anything. Now when I am comparing ball A with ball B, then what I'll say? Ball B is bigger than ball A. Then how I will write for the second ball? Number 2, ball B is bigger than ball A. Okay. Why? Because I am comparing. I am comparing these 2 balls. Now when we compare 2 things, okay, when we are comparing these 2 things, we call it comparative degree. Okay, this is what we call degrees of adjective. Okay, so first one is positive, then comparative, and then comes superlative. I'll tell you what is superlative also. Let us just wait and understand this too. So here what happened when I say this is a big ball, this big ball is what? It is a comparative, it is a positive adjective. Now when I am comparing two balls, that is comparative adjectives. Okay, now what is comparative adjective? And always in when we compare, we use the comparative form of adjective when we compare two things. When do we use comparative adjective? This is comparative adjective, bigger. Okay, we use comparative adjective when we compare two things. Because I am comparing ball A with ball B. Okay, so we use comparative adjective when we compare two things. To make an adjective into comparative adjective, we use ER. I have added here? Generally, we add ER. Okay. Now, somewhere, see bigger, B-I-G, big, here it becomes double G. There is also a reason where we will add, we will double the last letter, and where not, that we will discuss in the another chapter. Okay, here what we are adding, generally we add ER. Clear? Now, I have compared two. So comparative adjective, we use comparative adjective when we compare two things. Here I am comparing these two things. Okay, this way, if I say this is a tall tree, T-A-L-L, tall. Tall is what? An adjective. And when there are two trees, one is big, one is small. Okay, then I will say one tree is taller than the another one. Then what I'll do when I'll make comparative of this, I will add taller, ER, T-A-L-L-E-R, taller. Okay, in comparative, what we do when we turn a positive adjective into comparative adjective, we add ER to it. What do we add to make comparative? ER. Okay, short, S-H-O-R-T, short. Then shorter, S-H-O-R-T-E-R, shorter. In this way, small, smaller, S-M-A-L-L, small. Then S-M-A-L-L-E-R, smaller. Just keep in mind that when we make comparative adjective from positive adjective, we add ER like this, tall, taller, I said small, smaller, big, bigger. Okay, and then we use then. As I said, see, ball B is bigger than. We use the word then when we compare. Okay, in comparative degree we make use of then. T-H-A-N, then. Okay, this is positive and comparative. I have explained to you. Now, when it comes to more than two or three, okay, more than three, and it may be 3, 4, 5, 6, because there is not only one ball, there are many things in this ball, isn't it? Ball. There are many balls, there are many trees, there are many people, isn't it? So we can compare the adjective to a big extent. Okay. Now when we make use of when we talk about more than three things, then what is? So we use compare superlative form of adjectives to compare three or more things. When we compare three or more things, then we make use of superlative degree. Okay, to make an adjective into superlative adjective, what we do, I'll show you. See, I'm rubbing this. Now we are comparing three or more than three balls. Now I am talking about these three balls, ball number 3. When I'll speak about ball number C, then what I'll write? Ball C is the EST. What I have added? EST. Is the ball C is the biggest ball. Among these three, which one is the biggest? Ball 3. So this is called superlative. It is called what? Superlative. Now what is superlative adjective? We use the superlative form of adjective to compare 3 or more things. Now to make adjective into superlative, what we add? We add EST. Okay, so big, bigger, biggest. There are 3 forms: positive, comparative and superlative. So positive is the root word. Okay, then when we make comparative we add ER. Then when we make it superlative, when we compare more than 3 and 3 and more than 3 things, then we add EST. Okay, so I will say that ball C is the biggest ball. Ball C is the biggest ball, and before superlative degree we always write the, T-H-E, the. Okay, remember this. Clear? Now what we have found? We have found that adjectives, they have got 3 forms. Okay, first one is positive, comparative, superlative. Okay, when we talk about only one thing, okay, then we make use of positive form. When we compare more than one, means compare 2 things, we make use of comparative. Then when we talk about 3 or more than 3 to infinitive, so we make use of superlative degree. And what we have learned in comparative degree, we use then when we write, and in superlative degree, before superlative degree, we always put the. Okay, now these are called what? They are known as degrees of comparison. What we are doing? I am talking about all these things. Why? Because I am comparing. I am comparing all the nouns. Okay, this adjective they are comparing. Big, bigger, biggest. Here we are comparing. Okay, now I'll give you more examples. See, this is only one word that I have taken, big. So this way we know there are 3 degrees of adjective. First one is positive, then comparative, then superlative. Suppose if I write here positive, comparative, and superlative. So few example I'll give to make the thing clear. Okay, suppose we have already done that one, big, that adjective big. Now tall. Suppose there are 3 friends. Now we have to compare them on the basis of their height. So, and suppose only Rabi, Sham and John, they are 3 friends. Okay, so Ravi is 5 feet height. I'm talking about height. Then after Ravi I said Mohan. Suppose Mohan is 5.2 and John is 5.5. So now we are comparing. At first no one is there. There is only Ravi. Then what I'll say? Ravi is a tall boy. Ravi is a tall boy. This is positive. Now I am comparing Ravi and Mohan. Mohan is 5.2 inches. Okay, 5 feet 2 inches. Then who is taller? I am comparing Mohan and Ravi now. When I am comparing, how will form the adjective? Comparative form of adjective? Taller. T-A-L-L-E-R. So what I have added here? E-R. Okay, taller. Now we'll talk about 3. Both 3 of them are there, or more than 3. The whole class is there. Suppose they are in class 3. So who is the tallest boy in the class? Suppose John. He is 5.5. Okay, then I'll say John is the tallest boy in the class. So what I have done? Tallest. Tallest. So what I have added here? Plus est. Okay. Tallest. Tall, taller, tallest. Now if I take one more adjective, small, then comparative will be smaller, then smallest. Smallest. Then if I have talked only, suppose there are 3 scales. So this is a long scale, then long. In comparative, longer, Longer. We have added er. Then in superlative, est, longest, longest. Clear? So fat. He is a fat boy. There is a fat boy in your class. You will say he is a fat boy. If someone else is there who is more fat than him, then we will not say he is more fat than him. He is fatter when we will compare. So see fat. Okay. F-A-T, fat. Then comparative will be fatter. F-A-T-T-E-R. Then fattest. F-A-T-E-S-T. Fattest. Here I have added ER. Here I have added EST. This way you will find many more adjectives and you will be asked, and you know how to identify them, how to identify the comparative adjective, how to identify the superlative adjective. So here what we have learned that adjective has 3 forms. They are known as degrees of adjective. Okay, so positive, comparative and superlative. Positive, this is when we talk about one thing. Okay, then when you compare 2, this is comparative. When you compare 3 or more than 3, this is superlative. And what we do in comparative degree, we add er with the positive. Then when we talk about superlative, we add est. Okay, clear? And one more thing that I have told you, in comparative degree, when we frame sentences, we use than. Suppose if I say Ravi is a tall boy, now his friend is Mohan. Mohan is taller than Ravi. Then I will say Mohan is taller than. So in comparative degree, we always make use of the word than. T-H-A-N, then. And then if I am talking about John, who is the tallest boy in class 3. Okay, so when I say Mohan is tallest boy in the class, no, Mohan is the. So before superlative degree, we should always write the. Okay, long, longer, longest. This is a long pencil. Suppose one more girl, she has a pencil that is in size, it is longer than my pencil. Then I'll say that teacher or that girl has a longer pencil. Her pencil is longer than. We are making use of them. And now suppose one teacher is there or one girl is there who has got a long pencil, very, very long one. So we'll say she has the longest pencil. The longest. Okay, so we are making use of the in superlative degree. Clear, children? Is it clear to you? Class 3? If not, please tell me. I'll explain once again for you. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.